Hey, and welcome to this vid. In this one, I'm going to replace our Pro Comp outer tie rod ends. I was just reading up on the site that they've had complaints about them wearing out too fast. Pro Comp says it's mainly to people not greasing up the joints there after they install them. So it seems like a simple thing to do, but I guess people think they're already pre-greased maybe. I mean, there'd be a little bit in there, but yeah, we'll get into it. Should be somewhat simple. Find out. Okay, got the wheel off. I just hit it with a bit of WD-40 where the lock nut is, and just underneath. So first we're going to pull the cotter pin out of there. We'll see if I can loosen that one off, and then we'll get won't take it all the way off, and then we'll see if we can loosen this guy. Okay, so we end up getting it off. I had to put a bit of heat on there. Vice grips. Kind of push right up in there, get that lock nut kind of just loosened off a bit, and then we just put a wrench on this flatter part here and undid it. So I got that off. A little tricky, but got there. So yeah, this nut's pretty much just only loosened off about half a turn, or was that 2/3. So that'll keep. I'll know where to put it back to when we put it there. Just maybe a 2mm gap in between, and then I'll tighten that nut back up. Okay, there's the old one. Here's our new guy. Just got the plastic cover on there. These come, they are labeled usually A and B. They're actually numbered different now. They used to be they are numbered different. Let's have a look here to know which side is which. I think that's a 1. They've just got a 1 at the end of that number and a 2 there. So they're your lefts and rights. So this is your right hand side. Yeah. So pretty simple. Hardest thing seems to be getting them off. Ours were a bit rusted on, but put a new one on. And then the thing that seems to be people failing on is greasing them up. So we'll get it on, grease her up, and that should be it. Okay, that's all done up again. We'll still get a steering alignment done after this. Okay, one thing, make sure this is level, pretty much. Let's see, I'll just tweak it back a little bit. There. Lock down the bottom, pretty much tighten it up as kind of tight as you can go, and then just align it with the cotter pin hole. That's what you're going to have to do. Okay, all that's left to do is to grease it. Yeah, so I ended up using a heavy duty premium grease on here, and just filled it up till the grease just starts to come out of the joints in here, just a little bit. Then you know she's full, and then stop. And that's pretty much it, done. Make sure you got the cotter pin in, lock nut done up, and yeah, put the wheel back on and away on the other side. That's pretty much it for this one. Like, subscribe and all that good stuff. Want to see more, and we'll catch you later.